Hi, I'm back. I am doing a bakery video. Don't mind my slurring. I just took my night medicine, but I had to do this video real quick because I'm like, you know what? This is some hot stuff I just got. Do it for the gram eyeshadow palette, hazelnut swirl lip whip. Okay. Let me talk about how I got on Beauty Bakery. Jackie Aina. Yes, Jackie Aina, the famous Jackie Aina. I love her. I was watching one of her videos. She was doing I think she did a full she was doing a full makeup tutorial on a lot of brands that were women owned. Some of them like they were like I know Fenty was Rihanna's brand. Fenty was featured, and Beauty Bakery was. When she said a little bit about Beauty's Bakery story, I had to be like I was so touched, like honestly touched by it, and everybody knows. Who knows me in person knows I could be a real. I'm a nice person, but I could be real mean when I have to be. But somebody that beat the odds, being a teen mom, being a cancer survivor, still wanting to, I mean, always looking good, still wanting to look good. Started her own brand because of that. Basically, the stuff that wasn't good, she didn't want in her makeup at all, too. Of course, with your foods and stuff, and then also with what you put in your skin as well, too. And Beauty Bakery was born. And I just gotta say, I've seen some of the articles on Beauty Bakery, and I'm so proud of her because I'm like, you know, you just beat the odds. And I know that she also has a strong faith in the Lord as well too. So I definitely like that as well too. Anywho, let's talk about Do It For The Gram eyeshadow palette. Now, basically, Do It For The Gram eyeshadow palette is cruelty free, paraben free. They use they recycle paper on this, and I like the background of it. See, this is cute. And this is cute right here too, you guys, if you guys can see it. Okay. I Do It For The Gram eyeshadow palette will have you begging, gimme, gimme, gimme s'more with 12 foil matte and duochrome powder ice cream shadows. Ice cream. So basically, it's like a dessert palette. I want to look more on her website, so I'm gonna definitely look more on her website as well too when I finish this video. And so I'm just so excited about this. And I've touched some of the colors already, you guys. I'm not going to even flex and say I didn't, but I'm just going to be like, whoa. Look how pigmented this shade is. This is the orange color I just touched right here. Um, ooh, this is actually very pretty. It's like the yellow color right there. Um, this is like a gold color. And it's just like one touch. These things are pigmented. And then you have the blue. Ooh, the blue one right here. And things like that. Okay, I gotta be good touching these because I gotta use these on clients, y'all. They'll get clean. Trust me. These colors are so pigmented. Let me touch this green because I like Jewel Town. Ooh, look at these colors. Ooh. Anywho, these colors are pigmented. Even the matte ones are so pigmented. And I bet you they'll be easy to blend. So once I do my first, when I do my client on with these eyeshadows, I would definitely give you a full review on these as well too. So I'm excited about that palette. I looked at it, I was like, that's the one I want. I wanted to get the contour one, but that'd be on my next purchase. So the lip whip one, hazelnut swirl, which I got on my swatch right here. Well, it's on the top, right here. This is what it is, hazelnut swirl. This is actually really gorgeous. Um, I got this when there were $5 on the website. There was like limited colors, and I was like, okay, let me just. I just randomly chose one. I was like, okay, I actually like this color. It was sort of like a bronzy. I wouldn't say rose gold. I would say like a bronzy penny type of gold, penny type of bronze color. But it's so gorgeous. And it definitely is the matte. It's definitely a matte finish, and a lot of people. Well, actually, I'm sorry. It's a metallic finish, but it dries on matte. And I have to say, with the lip whips, a lot of people, including some of my author friends, were telling me they like it. A lot of people on YouTube were saying they like it, and things like that. So I was like, okay, I'm gonna give it a chance. and it was $5. I'm like, what the hell? Why not? Um, I'm definitely excited about getting more things. If you ask me why my voice is so deep, I don't know. I'm tired, but it's been a long day. But I'm excited. I am so tickled. I'm so humbled that I could get this stuff. And I just have to, oh my gosh, I'm just so happy to be able to support somebody. And on top of that, she's black owned. You know what I'm saying? We definitely, like I say, and I love MAC. I love other brands as well too. But I'm also going to start, if I'm a black owned makeup artist as well too, in a black owned business, I'm definitely going to start putting my money where my mouth is too, and my love of makeup is too, and start supporting more black owned brands as well too. And yeah, I would definitely be getting some more stuff from her. If the $5 still is still going on, by the time I put this video up, I'll still put in the link bar. If not, I'll still put the color in the link bar in case you guys want to get it anyway. I mean, normally they're $20, but I feel it's worth it. You know what I'm saying? And the palette itself was $38, which I totally feel it was worth it as well too. Anywho, thank you guys for shopping and looking at this video. And I will talk to you guys soon, and thank you for watching. Bye now.